Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in race red with grey cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, and it also is a 4x4. It has an XTR package, which means that the grille, bumper, and handles are chrome. As well, it has a trailer tow package. This vehicle has been leveled, has BF Goodrich 2.0 tires, as well it has a tonneau cover. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, and there's a grab handle making it easier to get in. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages. As well, you have a menu that'll appear on the dash, and we can go through it here. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has drive mode on the end, and when you press it, it'll appear with normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. In the center is a little cubby to put things. You also have your traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. You have a touch screen and you're seeing navigation there, and when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. When we go into audio, you have your choices there for sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. As well, you can slide through your settings for different options like Wi-Fi hotspot and Apple CarPlay. Down below, volume and tuner, and there's your CD player, and then your climate control with AC and max AC. You have heated seats for driver and passenger, front and rear defrost, as well as 4x4 locking differential, as well as Pro Trailer backup. There's a little cubby there. And then down below, you're seeing in the center a couple of USB outlets. You want to close this up, just press, and it's out of sight. There's a bin and a couple of cup holders. You can open up your armrest, and there's a nice shallow bin there. You can take that out. Lots of room down below, as well as a 12 volt. Off to the side is a 12 volt and a 110 outlet. You have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and as well you've got the power button to slide that back window. And then you also have a dual panel moonroof. So we press this and we get some nice fresh air. 20-inch wheels, BF Goodrich tires, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic, running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below that handle, and you have backup sensors on your bumper. There's a 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside, it's nicely lined, it's roomy, it's got box link, and you're also seeing that tonneau cover, and you also have a tailgate step. This makes it easier to get in. And then you can close everything up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. And speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, and then pull the clip and it'll bring it right down. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and an all-weather mat that goes from one end to the other. There's extra carpeted mats there as well. You have slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and in the center a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110 USB outlets, as well as your air vents. There's a grab handle in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting, got panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, tonneau cover, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.